everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cynthia, and I'm here today with the January 2018 Allure box, and I'm super excited to share it with you and some thoughts on the products in there. Unfortunately, I have had strike 3 on a broken product again. Not all from Allure box, but this is the 3rd box that I have received with a broken product in it. So I'll share that with you. First of all, some of you have been asking on comments on different social media sites. If you sign up for Allure box, they promise you a free bonus product. I finally got my bonus product. This is my 2nd Allure box, and so it didn't take too long. And what I got was black tea, age delay eye concentrate in this tiny little container. Let's see if I can get that to focus for you. There we go. Tiny little container. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you can take a look inside. There is very, very little product in here, but it was a free gift, so it's all good. I have not researched this product at all. I'm not familiar with this brand, so I'm hoping it's a good free product. All right, so on to the items in January 2018 Allure box. First of all, you are always greeted with this little information pamphlet, booklet, and inside here we have all of our products and prices and so forth. So let's go ahead and start off with the box bomb, the good one, the one everybody wanted, the reason why people purchased this box if they were not already, and that is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum by Sunday Riley. And this is how mine arrived in the box. My pump is broken, so I will have to, in order to use it, I'm actually going to have to open it up to use it. I don't know how sanitary that's going to be, so I'll contact Allure and see if they can help me out, maybe bring me a new pump. But my pump was broken on my setting spray, my FX setting spray from BoxyCharm, and then I received a busted tube of primer, Dr. Brandt primer in my last BoxyCharm, and then I got this strike 3 with a broken pump for my CEO Riley. But this is supposed to be, this is a cult favorite. Let me just read you a little bit. This is a vitamin C serum. It's a citrus scented gel, and it had supposed to brighten your dull patches, help with dark spots, make pores look smaller. I actually received a sample of this in another sub box and used it. I find it to soak in very quickly, so I feel like I'm using a little more than maybe some other serums. It was just a little small sample size, so I wasn't able to really report back on if it changed my skin, lighten any brown spots, and so forth. So I'm looking forward to starting to use this and maybe give it a little better review than today. All right, so that retails for $85. So I have a $85 product with a broken pump that now I'm gonna have to open up to use. Wah. All right. Okay, next up is This Works in Transit Camera Close-Up. This is supposedly a primer, moisturizer, and a mask all in one. And this retails for $55, and you can get this at thisworks.com. I have actually not opened this up, and you might need to know this for any trades. It does come sealed, and I have a couple of primers already open, actually sample size, and then my Dr. Brandt that was all over the place from my Birchbox. They are sending me another one, however, so that's good news. So I haven't tried this, and I hope to report back on this as soon as well. All right, next is Frederica Fica 1 and then some dry texturizing spray. Here it is, a little tiny guy. And I did use this this morning when I did my hair. This is not something that I would probably go out and repurchase. This retails for $29, and it worked fine. It did give me a little more texture in my hair. It smells divine. I love the smell. I will use up the whole little sample and see if I miss it. And if I miss it, then maybe I'll purchase it, but I doubt it. Okay. All right, next is the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in Rosewood. And I don't have it to show you because it was so bad, and it was another color of death, and it just was awful on me. My kids were like, no, no, no. So I gave it to one of them. It looked completely different on one of my girls, so she took it. I don't even have it to show you. That's how bad it was on me. I gave it away so fast. But it does retail for $20, and you can get it at Sephora.com. Next is a Rodial Smoky Eye Pen in brown. I do believe it is just plain old brown. Here is what it looks like. And let me go ahead and take this off for you. And I did use this today on my under eyes. Nice and creamy. Nice brown color. It's not too light of a brown. It's a dark brown. And I actually used it under my eyes and then went over it to make it a little softer with some eyeshadow. And that pencil retails for $21, and you can buy it at rodial.co.uk. So that came from the UK. All of the information is here in the Allure book. That's it. That's the whole box. And I thank you for joining me. I posted a contest on a previous video. When we reach 50 subscribers, we're going to give away 4 eye masks. All right, we're going to be giving away 4 eye masks by Grace and Stella when I reach 50 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, click a big thumbs up, because the more thumbs up I get, the more people get to see it. Thank you for joining me, and you have a great day. Bye.